birashimishije kuba IUF yaje kudusura, tuzagaruka ubutaha turabishimiye kandi mwakoze kuba mwatwigishije ibyerekeranye n'amasuku, tukaba tubishimiye cyane amashuri yose ndetse bikaba binadutera ishema. Murakoze.
Yeah, I appreciate this program of IUF. That is good. We should say come back again. We are very joyous. This campaign is very important. It helps us to wash and to show our children to have a habit of washing hands and everybody, because hygiene is the source of life. We thank you very much and we need you to come back and move ahead. It is a good habit. Thank you.